As a first-time guest at Royalton Bavaro in Punta Cana, the very first thing you need to know is this. Your experience is going to hinge heavily on whether you book Diamond Club. From dinner reservations to room service, tipping culture, and beach access, it makes a bigger difference here than at most resorts. Royalton Bavaro is a large, family-friendly, all-inclusive in Punta Cana, part of the Marriott Autograph Collection. It features multiple pools, a lazy river, a surf simulator, and beach access, plus a Diamond Club area that offers an upgraded experience. The resort has a central layout with the lobby toward the back and the beach up front. You'll find family-friendly vibes throughout, though some areas like the Diamond Club pool or the spa are a bit more tranquil. There are also several buildings, so getting a good location can impact how much walking you do. It's very stroller-friendly, but bring patience, especially at check-in. What really stands out at Royalton Bavaro are the outdoor amenities. The lazy river is a favorite for kids and adults alike. The surf simulator adds some action, and the beach, when clear of seaweed, is beautiful and walkable. Guests also rave about the live entertainment at night, especially the Queen and Michael Jackson shows, and the coffee shop Scoops is consistently a guest favorite. Just don't expect world-class cuisine across the board. A few standouts like the hibachi and the steakhouse shine, but the buffet and food quality in general are very hit or miss. Let's talk about that Diamond Club. This is one resort where it can seriously upgrade your trip. Perks include a dedicated pool, a better beach section, priority reservations at restaurants, which is huge here, a personal butler, and upgraded liquor options. Without Diamond Club, many guests report long waits, unavailable reservations, and inconsistent service. So if you're deciding whether to splurge, as your humble YouTube travel advisor, I would say it's worth it here more than most. Now, for some frequently asked questions, how far is it from the airport? About 25 to 30 minutes depending on traffic. Is the beach swimmable? Sometimes. Seaweed can be bad, but the staff does attempt to clean it up. Do I need to tip? Yes, tipping early and often improves service. Many report feeling ignored without it. Check out the tipping guide below. Can I get dinner reservations without Diamond Club? Yes, but it's tough. The app often crashes and availability is limited. Is the resort kid-friendly? Yes, but the kids' club and teen areas are underwhelming. The lazy river and surf machine are big hits, though. What's the check-in process like? Slow. Expect to wait, sometimes over an hour. Let's take a look at some palm leaf insider tips from previous guests. Bring your own pool float for the lazy river. The resort doesn't supply them. Pack extra sunscreen and maybe even a small fan. Restaurants can be very hot. If the app fails, go directly to guest services or tip your way to a reservation. Watch out for aggressive timeshare pitches disguised as concierge services or free gifts. Just say no. Avoid rooms in poor condition by requesting a recently renovated section. Reviews mention mold, mildew, and broken fixtures. If you found this overview helpful, subscribe and check out my next video on the Lopasan Costa Bavaro, just down the beach about 30 minutes in Punta Cana. And if you want my free tipping guide, just check the description. Please give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for more videos.